Hey everyone, welcome to We Auto Detailing. Whether you're an enthusiast or you just want to get your car clean, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 essential tools you need to work as a detailer. So let's go ahead and get started with the big guns. We're going to start with the pressure washer because this tool is a must-have that you must have for your car detailing business. With the pressure washer, you're able to clean off any dirt or grime off the vehicle, any pollen or tar that's hard to get off that you can't use for a water hose. So this pressure washer is the main tool that you need as a detailer, especially if you're mobile or if you have a location, because they're looking for professionals to do the job and they definitely going to come to you, and you want to have the great tools in order to get the job done. So next up we have our polisher. The polisher is a very volatile tool because you can use it to wax, buff, seal, or remove scratches of the on and off the vehicle. So for those type of things, the polisher will be great for because it provides pressure to the paint and it removes those scratches and makes the car shine like new again. And if you want to get your car detailed, most people, they want to get it polished because they know that the professionals can make it shine. And most of the vehicles, if they haven't got it washed in a while, the polisher will leave a great and extraordinary shine once the detail is done. So after the polishing, now it's time to decontaminate the paint. The clay bar is the next essential tool that you need for a car detailer because what it does is it removes any embedded dirt or grime within the paint, and the clay bar is basically removing it by you swiftly going against the paint while the paint is wet, or you can also use like a quick detailer or a spray detailer chemical that allows you to lubricate and rub against the paint, and that also removes any embedded dirt and grime within the paint, which is an essential tool, the clay bar, that you want to use for car detailers. So microfiber towels are essential and one of the key tools that you need for a car detailer because it's very multi-purpose and you can use it for all different parts of the vehicle. The microfiber towel is used for the exterior and the interior of the vehicle. So when you start or when you're working in your detailing business, you cannot get a car done without a microfiber towel. So I recommend that you always get you one or a couple when you first get started, and then you will build up over time and you can wash them and keep them and keep restoring them. But to get started, you're definitely going to need it. It removes any dirt, it wipes off and makes the interior shine. You got to use it for your windows, you got to clean your wheels and your tires. So definitely you want to have a couple microfiber towels in order to run your business as a detailer. So finally, we have our detail brush. The detail brush is also a very essential item that you must have in order to remove any dust or grime from the interior of your vehicle. It helps get in between the cracks of the middle console. It helps when you want to get in between your air vents. It helps clean in between the nubs of your tires and your wheels that locks the wheel on. It also helps with the signage that's on the vehicle. If you have the Mercedes or different type of signage in the front or the back, the BMW sign, all that stuff, the detail brush help with that things. And you definitely want to have a detail brush because that's what separates the detailers from the car washes, because we have that detail brush to get in between all those cracks and we take the time to get it clean. All right, so that's it for today. Remember, these tools are very essential for working as a detailer or if you want to just get your car looking shine. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more tips and tricks for your detailing business.